Buckle up, this isn't just a road trip. It's a rolling home, a map scribbled in pencil, and the promise of open sky. I'm crossing America by RV, chasing coastlines, canyons, diners, and the quiet places in between. Over the next minutes, we'll plan smart, wander freely, and uncover routes, tips, and hidden stops to make your journey effortless. Think of this as your friendly co-pilot, equal parts inspiration and step-by-step guidance, riding shotgun from first campsite to final sunset. Ready to roll? Let's set our course and find the magic waiting beyond the next mile marker, together. First up, simple basics that make freedom feel easy, so every mile invites discovery. Planning can feel like juggling: routes, fuel, campgrounds, weather. Take a breath. We'll simplify it together. Use a simple framework you can copy for any trip, from weekend loops to cross-country journeys. Start with 3 anchors: must-see stops, a realistic daily drive time, and a backup overnight within an hour. Aim for 3 to 5 hours behind the wheel and plan to arrive before dusk. Less stress, more sunsets. Vet stops with park sites and campground reviews. Filter by rig length, hookups, pet rules, and cell coverage. Save offline maps, screenshot directions, and note low clearance warnings before you roll. Sketch a loose route, A to B to C, and give yourself 1 buffer day each week for weather or whim. Keep essentials simple. Top off by half a tank, refill water early, and dump before long boondocks. Balance pace and budget, alternate drive days with park days so the journey feels like vacation, not chores. Check weather and elevation ahead. Reroute early if storms or passes look sketchy. Share your itinerary with a friend and set simple check-ins. Safety handled, freedom unlocked. Save 2 or 3 backup overnights. First-come campgrounds, legal lots, or hosts along your route. When plans shift, treat detours like invitations. Stretch, snap a photo, and keep rolling. With a clear plan and room to wander, the unknown turns from worry into freedom. Let's go. Route 1, the Pacific Coast Highway. Big Sur bridges, tide pools at low tide, and sunrise coffee above the fog. Detour into Redwood Country. Short hikes, towering quiet, easy day-use parking for larger rigs. Route 2, the Grand Circle. Zion Narrows, Bryce amphitheaters, and a star show so bright you'll whisper. Route 3, Blue Ridge Parkway. Slow curves, mountain music, and small towns with the best pie you've ever tasted. Book early in peak season. Arrive before dark. Respect quiet hours. Leave your site better than you found it. Maintenance quick list. Check tires and torque, test brakes and lights, monitor fluids, sanitize water, and secure every latch before rolling. With Smart Prep, every stop feels unhurried and unforgettable. Some places stop time, the canyon rim blushes pink, coffee steams in the chill, and the road feels like it's opening just for us. We ease along the edge, windows down, catching that first light that turns rock to fire and makes yesterday's miles feel worth it. Magic isn't always loud. Sometimes it's waves lapping, a quiet turnout, and dinner sizzling while the horizon does its slow-motion show. Insider tip: ask rangers and camp hosts for short walks with big views. They'll point you to overlooks most road trippers miss. Another: arrive midweek, just after dawn or before dusk. The light is better, Crowds thinner, campsites more likely to open up. Budget find, state wildlife areas and county parks. Less hype equals scenery. Read posted rules and leave it better than you found it. Chase the quirky, too. Neon diners, tiny museums, guest books stuffed with stories and directions scribbled in pen. Talk to locals. Ask, what view do you show visiting friends? Then aim your wheels there. Download offline maps. Signals fade where the best stars appear. Pin water fills and dump stations before you roll. When the day unwinds at a glassy lake, cut the engine and listen. Loons, wind in pines, your breath finding its pace. The best spots aren't secret, they're simply noticed. Slow down, scan trail signs, and follow gravel roads with a promise at the end. Out in the desert, shadows stretch long, and the sky turns every shade of apricot. Time enough to plan tomorrow's wander. And when the stars switch on, dim the lights and be still. That hush? That's why we travel. RV travel blends freedom with comfort. Memories made at 20 miles an hour and in 5-minute detours. Plan simply, wander kindly, maintain well, and you'll go farther than you imagined. Tell us your favorite routes, best campsites, or questions for our next road chapter. Subscribe for more road-wise guides, and until we meet down the line, travel safe and keep chasing the horizon.